Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Evtx file to PDF documents. You can see on my computer I have Evtx files and I can open it in with Windows Event Viewer, and you can see it's very slow. You can see it has some warning, error, some data in it. It's basically over 3000 events. Also, I can use Evtx Viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside the Evtx file, but it's showing it what I like in it. It's showing it right away. It's also allowing me to export into different format like Excel, Word, and it's showing particularly what is in Evtx file, not like entire system and so on. So, however, in order to convert this data from this file into PDF, I will use a different application. I will download from this website. I will link on site into description. To find app, I click on search and type Evtx, and I need this Evtx page. And then I click on Evtx to PDF and click on download, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on Evtx converters and how to convert it from Evtx into different format, including SQL, JSON, Excel, CSV, text, etc. So if you are interested in such videos, please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So sometimes Google Drive, archive will be downloaded from Google Drive, and why I like Google Drive, because it's checking files on all possible threads before releasing it to customer, which is very good. So every time I download file, I know that file is safe, checked by Google, and it's all good. But sometimes it's saying, okay, I cannot scan file right now. You can click download if you want to, which is okay, because it's scanning periodically. Sometimes it's just releasing right away, sometimes it's after scan, so it's never a problem. So I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. I can close this now, this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, I have to select Evtx file I would like to convert to PDF. So in this case, I will select my 3000 events file. Click on next step. Here I can specify format of document size of PDF. Maybe A0 is a little big. Let's select A4. Landscape is okay, or we can use portrait. And for example, if I'm only interested in couple, there are a lot of data in Evtx, and if I convert it, everything will be jammed, unless I will select like A0. Okay, let's select A0, select all folders, and you can see what I mean. Click on next, click on run. It's asking me for name and location file. Go. File has been created. Let's go and see file, and this file will be massive like this. So a lot of fields, a lot of records. It's 3000 records. However, everything converted into PDF as expected. You can see name, event ID, keyword, date created, system time, process ID. Let's say, what if I want to only convert data and time created, right, and make it smaller? I can do that by going into selecting A4, for example, deselect all, and I only need the time created, time of the event. I know computer is the same, and I need data. Click on next tab, click on run. Save again, and we have another file. So depending on which information do you want to save. So this file is, you can see I have more printable format if I want to print it, because A0 to print will be very large, but it's good to store. It's depending what PDF format you're seeking for, right? For example, if I want to have everything just for my records, or somewhere, if I'm attaching this document to some other documents, it will be fine, like large PDF, no worries. But if I want to print it, or if I want to attach to different things, or I can just basically application giving you possibility to select different fields and specify different formats, different font size, and create PDF you need for that suits your needs. That's it. So yeah, basically if you have any other questions, please leave them in comments below. As I mentioned, I'll be recording more videos and more applications like this, so if you're interested, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.